back to a new vlog. I know I've been away for a very long time because of kuningi that is happening, but let's unbox. So I got a gas heater as well as the microwave just to end. Anyway, so let's, here's the box here thing. I'll show you the heater. Let's unboxed it because it was very cold in the morning, so I was like you can't content it baby. So let's unbox the microwave. A microwave black mat. So the aesthetic that I'm going for is black because my kettle is black, and the toaster as well as the blender. But yeah, let's unbox.
This one I got to do, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do be where I back that. What's it called? You are gone, all the best. They can't ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing.
Of moving the microwave from here to there, because of now when I'm busy cooking and frying, the oil will galele on the microwave and it's gonna mess up everything. I don't know if I'm right, but I think it will look nice here. Yeah, here. Let me just do it now.
All the men, they can't ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do one way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money.
Okay, we're done. I feel like it looks good here. And then I'm still trying to figure out what will look good way, ne? Don't judge me. And that the flowers are for pedestal as well as this light, because if I cannot have this clock on the microwave as well as that one, this one I took it because of just to pop out of the color, not everything all black. In as much as I said I am going for a black aesthetic, and then this one here. So I don't know if I should put back this next to the microwave and pack up the blender, or leave the blender here. Akit. But yeah, I'll show you when I've decided what I'm gonna put on. But I like what it's coming along. Now, baby girl, 1 bar. Cost of living is too high. Mary J. Blige, I got a question for you, so I'm waiting for the answer. Guys, question like our Bantwadi wiki look on I am. Every time you have to straighten that wig, ubeteli moisturize the mousse, the hot comb every day. Maybe it's because of another wig that I have. I wanted to look in a certain way. I don't like it when it's just all over the place. I just want it to be like a bob. I just want it to be Nice. Problem is now I have to straighten it every day. Okay, I'm not going anywhere right now. But mensankare baby I see you check up ban or I have to straighten a week. Is that fair? Oh wow, I think I'm gonna go back to plaiting my hair. But anyway, get it to my camping. I'm bored. So I thought, why not do this? So let's paint together. Painting will be the most in your life. In your life. And it's cold. So, but home, guys, this thing has been through the most, so I don't blame it. If you fall apart, so the constructions are up. This is the stand and this is the canvas. The Picasso vandaag. Let me put your book. Ooh, Pontsho. Let me sit down. Let me pause. Okay, so we found a new location. Here are the paints. I'm praying for ice cream. He bought me a cone ice cream and McFlurry. And so I took a break. Let me just continue painting and I'll show you the after. Guys, here's the progress so far. I'm just gonna add some few colors here, then I'll be done because I don't have a color for this whole thing. And then we'll be done. But I wanna eat. This is for supper. And then yeah, we're starting. And here we are. That's it. I don't have any other colors to play around. Yeah, I'm using what I have, and that is it. Bye. I am going to high. Then we're gonna go attend my cousin's braai. So I'm gonna vlog small and yeah. Right now we are on the road. We had to stop because of, so you have to make sure everything is fine. Things don't fly out. We are on our way to we're almost there. Hurrying, Braai.
understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need a make a way for me to see. But that's for me.
Just what time
Be right by your side. But that's for me. You're the one in my heart. Time will come to the end. I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
Hi guys, it's another day of the vlog. In fact, I have to close it off because I don't have enough space. So we are doing unboxing from Temu. I bought some few stuff for the kids to play with. Nothing home stuff. No, there's nothing like that. It's all about the kiddies. Okay, so first one is this board, so that they can learn how to count. And this will also help my nephew. Math homework. There's it. This is how it looks like. And then you can extend the fingers. You see? That's it. And another one, the next one is this one, just for them to build the house, like building blocks type of thing. They had bigger ones and they've always messed them up, but this is how it looks like, the thingy. So they'll see what they will build. At least there's like a roof thingy, the one that is like a window, yeah. And the one like the lady battles a window. Ashi. Cool. And what's next? Next one is the map. Okay, let's see this one. The map for the cars. So Nana, it's a bit big. Oh, it's big. I'll just put it on the floor and then show you. But like, it's a, what is this, grandmother's house, hospital, literally everything, shopping mall. I'll just put it on the floor so that you guys can see it. And then also got them cars. I thought they were going to be in a big package. A bit disappointed, but let's see the cars. Because cars are cars, guys. Doesn't matter the size. One thing about the boys, they love cars. So I thought of getting them a lot of cars. How many did I get? Is it 20 or 30? We'll see. We will see. Okay, here's the packaging of the cars. Nice and petite and to open. What do we do? Okay. Okay, they also have a map, this car, but it's small and Majaja. Shiny, shiny. It's giving me cheap. I don't like it. See? That's how it looks like. Okay, let's get to the cars. I think I bought 20 cars. And this is how the cars look like. There's different colors, different types. I'll turn the camera just to show you guys. And I also got, this is for me, just a spoon. I'll show show you. See, a fork, a spoon, and the knife. So funny. And chopsticks. Yeah. And then another one. This is my pouch. Tulips pouch. So I got cut off whilst I was unboxing the pouch that I got. Yeah, my favorite flower. And then I also got mom a pouch that is flowery as well and cutesy. And last but not least, I got my snail. Something small. A journaling. This is it. We'll see how it looks. I saw some pages opened more and I thought, this is interesting. Let's see what's written here. What thing? Who's busy more? People, you see, for childhood memories, the past, the child within, emotions. See? It's like you are writing down everything. One is trying to, with the inner work. With the triggers. See? Nice. And then healing. It's quite interesting, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, that's it. Felt like a page, man. I know the pages, but yeah, it's basically letter to yourself. Okay, apology letter to yourself. Forgiveness letter to yourself. Yeah, guys, that's it. It's nothing gazanga. Okay, this is how it looks like. I've added the cars there just to make it look a bit whatever, because it's flying. There's wind outside, and yeah, that's basically how it looks like. And here the other cars here. I had to step outside of the house for a good lighting. Yes. Thank you for watching until this far. See you on the next vlog. This one was a messy one, but I had to do what I had to do. See you guys. Click on subscribing. Road to 400 for now, and then 500. But now we are on 376. Kunini. Can you guys please subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one.